Checking whether a string starts with 4x. I would like to know how to check whether a string starts with hello in Python. In Bash I usually do. How do I achieve the same in Python?
More info about starts with.
Ranrag has already answered it for your specific question. However, more generally, what you are doing with is a regex match. To do the same in Python, you would do. Obviously, in this case, some string dot starts with hello is better.
In case you want to match multiple words to your magic word, you can pass the words to match as a tuple. Starts with takes a string or a tuple of strings.
Can also be done this way.
XXXX.